Welcome to Johan's Planet.
Hello, friends. Today we are reading the Messy Alphabet Book. You know, it seems like every alphabet book I read is full of nice, clean things like cute kittens, cuddly puppies, and shiny new toys. I think it's time for a new alphabet book, a messy alphabet book. Turn the page if you agree.
Me agree. Me want to make a big mess.
Be my guest. A is for applesauce, drip down the wall. B is for birthday cake, wrecked by the ball. C is for cookies, all covered in goo. D is for donuts, all frosted with glue. E is for eggs, some crack and some whole. F is for flour puffing out of the bowl. G is for gooey mud baked in a pie. H is for a hamburger covered with flies. What a terrible mess, Cookie Monster.
Thank you. Now me go find some cookies to crumble.
Hello, Oscar. Elmo would like to try. Okay, but you have to make it messy. Elmo promises that it will be good and messy. I is for indigo, paint on your door. J is for juice, all over the floor. K is for knitting yarn, completely uncoiled. L is for leaves that are trampled and soiled. M is for mud-coated mittens and coat. N is for never been bathed barnyard goats. O is for Oscar, the messiest grouch. P is for pencils spread out on a couch. That's not bad, Elmo. Elmo learned everything. Elmo knows about being messy from Oscar. Naturally.
It looks like you're having fun. Can I make mess too?
Sure, as long as it's very messy. Q is for quilts, streaked with permanent ink. R is for rings around rarely washed sinks. S is for slimy, a striped little friend. T is a tuna fish marshmallow blend. Delicious. I would like to have a turn. Please, Oscar. Okay. Everyone gets a turn. U is for unicorn, sparkling in white. V is for vibrant stars, twinkling at night. Hey, stop right there. Those things are nice. We need a mess. W is for wet, smelly dogs and the rain. X is for xylophones splattered and stained. Y is for yogurt-dipped, funky old grapes. Ooh, being this messy is making Elmo sleepy.
Me sleepy too.
We haven't done Z yet.
And Z is the sound that my napping friends make. Zzz. Amateurs. Zzz. Hey, wait a minute. You don't think I'm going to clean this up by myself, do you? Grouches don't clean!